Alright guys, this is our first ever travel vlog here. I'm not sure how this will turn out when you guys will see it, but today's April the 12th and we're going to be traveling this evening to Rite, Georgia for a 2-day sawmill event down there. That'll be a totally separate video. This is more or less just a little travel vlog showing you guys my day and how we get down there this evening. So before we get on the road down to Georgia, there's a few things I've got to take care of. It's about 11:45 right now. I got to run across town first with the trailer and pick up the ATV arch. It's over at a logging site, or an urban logging site I've been working at for a few weeks. I want to get that thing home today before I leave and get out of the guy's way. Got to do some mowing, I think, and more importantly, stop for lunch. Picking up the ATV arch, and there's a real nice elm over here we're going to come back and try to get. I got this thing cut into 3 8-foot logs, and probably next week or the week after we'll come over here and try to pull this thing out of the forest. Good sized log too. The diameter here on the large end is about 30 inches. Good size elm. Lucky, there might be some really good crotch wood right in there on this elm. Back over at the sawmill real fast. I got some nice quarter sawn oak that I didn't take home the other day. I won't be back over here till probably Monday, and it's going to be pretty hot these next few days in the upper 70s and 80s, so I don't want this oak laying out in this hot sun all these next 3 days. It might try to warp on me a little. So try to haul it home and get it on stickers here before we go. Now, subscriber Matthew Russell was asking to see the medullary rays on this oak from a previous video. Well, there you go, buddy. Don't get much better than that. Alright guys, let's go to Georgia. Tell you what, the hardest thing about this whole trip was leaving my family. I just dropped Bruno off at my mother's house. She's going to watch him until my wife gets off work. But I'm just gone for 2 days, but man, I cannot stand being away from him at night. It just, don't like it at all. This is only the second time, I think, since he's been born that I went out of town like this. Few and far between. If he can't go with me, I usually don't go. Now, I got to go back across town, which is on the way out of here anyway, because I forgot something. Apparently those guys like to play music at night, so bring Mr. Martin with me. rest stop. We're about 5 miles past the North Carolina state line. There's a little scenic overlook up here on the hill. Me and my family's walked up here before, and we've got a pretty good view of all the mountains up here. Before we get to Georgia from where I live, you gotta drive over the North Carolina mountains. And there should be a pretty good view up here up top of all the mountains. Of course, when I go to places like this, I'm always looking for timber. A lot of nice trees up here, a lot of hemlock up here, a lot of big pine, a lot of big hemlock. The elevation's about 3,500 feet if I remember right. I could be wrong. Let's go up here and take a look. Got a small rabbit up here by the walking trail here. Try to sneak up on him. I think he's still alive. I stepped on 2 twigs walking up here to it, and he didn't move at all. He's just sitting there. As you guys can see, one heck of a view from up here. You guys know how I am. I'm always looking for big timber and good sized trees to look at. Man, this oak tree I just found up here beside the picnic table is ridiculous. Let's walk up here and take a look at it. Massive oak tree. I'm assuming the caretakers here don't mind me walking in all this mulch here. I thought there's anybody working today anyways. Take a look at that monster, leaning over. It's leaning right over the ledge right there of that walking path. We were walking right down there. This is a monster tree.